Hey there, word wizards, and welcome back to video number 10 for our Developing Decoders book series. I am so excited that you're back for number 10. This is so exciting for me, and I hope you are having a good time with me as well, working with words and working with sounds. I have so much fun when I do activities like this. So today, we are going to work on R-Controlled Vowels. Sometimes your teacher might say to you they're called the Bossy R sound. The Bossy R sound. And those sounds are made with a vowel and then the letter R, like A-R, E-R, I-R, O-R, and U-R. These are called R-controlled vowels because the R controls what the vowel says. It controls the sound that the vowel makes. That's why we call them R-controlled or Bossy R, because the R bosses around the vowel sound. Now, when I'm teaching this to my students in my class, I first like to go over the sounds. When we're looking at the A-R Bossy R, I like to say, ARG, I'm a pirate. ARG, I'm a pirate. That's that AR sound. Then we have OR that says or. Even the word OR is spelled like this. But this R-controlled vowel, or, you could see in a lot of different words like orbit and order and for. It has the or sound. So AR and OR make different sounds. R and or. Two different sounds, R and or. But these sounds right here, AR, ER, and UR, all make the sound. They all make the sound. So that's why these can get a little bit tricky sometimes because they all make the same sound. So that's why it's important to practice words with R-controlled vowels because they can get a little tricky since all three of these Bossy R combinations make the sound. The only ones that different are AR, R, like a pirate, and OR is or, right? So that's why these three are a little difficult, and that's why we're going to practice them today. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to take your sheet of paper, and you are going to open up to the back. You're going to cut out your letters, and you're going to make two nice, neat lines in front of you of your letters. Now remember, I'm going to make my words up here on my magnet board, and you are going to make your letters with moving around these letters. That's what we're going to do today, okay? So take a minute, pause this video, cut out your letters, and then press play when you're ready to start. I'll wait for you. Okay, I'm so happy you joined me again for this video. So we're going to jump into R-controlled vowels. Now, our R-controlled vowels box has 10 books in it. So this has 10 books with R-controlled vowels in it. And I love these. I think they're so much fun to read. And I hope you enjoyed reading them from box number 10. So now that you've finished reading all of your books from box number 10, let's practice some words, shall we? All right, here we go. The first word I want you to make is the word car. Car. So let's blend it. Let's sound out. Let's hear those sounds. R. Car. R. It's got that pirate sound in it, doesn't it? R. Let's move your letters as you say them. R. Car. Does your car look like mine? Good job. Excellent. Let's write it down on our sheet. Car. R. Car. Again, it's Bossy R because the R is making the A say something different. Typically, our A says or A, but this time it's saying R, like a pirate, right? All right, so now I want you to change the word car to the word star. Let's tap it out. R. Star. Still has that R sound like the pirate. Star. Let's tap it. Let's say the sounds as we bring them. R. Star. We're only changing that beginning sound, right? So we change the k in car to a blend. Star. Good job. Does your star look like mine? Let's write it down. Way to go. And remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause this video and catch up and then press play again. All right? Okay, here we go. I want you to change the word star to the word stir. So let's tap it out. All right, so let's think about that for a second. Remember when we were talking about ER, IR, and UR? They all make the sound. That's how it gets a little tricky, right? So I used to tell my students, if you don't know which one it is, try different ones and see which one looks right. Because sometimes you could recognize a word based on the fact that you've seen it before. So let's do So we know we have to take out the A, and then we have EI, ER, IR, or UR. Stir. So I'm going to use the IR here because that is the correct combination for stir. And if I put an ER there, does that look right? It just doesn't look right. If I put a UR there, does that look right? Just doesn't look right for some reason. So that's what I used to tell my students. Sometimes put different letters in there, and sometimes you'll see it and you'll know it's right. So let's write down stir on our booklet. Good job. All right, I want you to change the word stir to the word dirt. Dirt. D-er-t. Dirt. We have that sound. D-er-t. Again, say the sounds as you bring them up. D-er-t. Now we have that IR, Bossy R, in the middle. Dirt. Good job. Let's write it down. All right, again, just pause this video if we're going too fast, okay? Let's change the word dirt to the word shirt. Shirt. Let's tap it out. Shirt. Shirt. Do it again. Shirt. Shirt. Look at this. Dirt, shirt. Dirt, shirt. Dirt, shirt. It rhymes, which means it will have the same ending, right? Shirt, dirt, shirt, dirt, shirt. There you go. Good job. Write down shirt. Way to go. All right, now we're going to change the word shirt to the word short. Let's tap it out. Short. Short. So now we have that new Bossy R in there. Or, right? All we have to do is change that I for the R. The I for the O, right? Short. Does your short match mine? Great job, everybody. Let's write that down. Short on our sheet. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to change the word short to the word store. Store. Let's tap it out. Store. So, with the word store, we have a blend in the beginning. Does that look right? No, it needs something else. We need to bring an E on the end of that Bossy R because O-R-E is also a Bossy R. We have that E on the end. So O-R-E also makes the OR sound in that Bossy R. So let's write down store on our sheet. Great job. I'm so proud of you. Way to go. All right. Now that you wrote down store, I want you to change store and I want you to make the word torn. Let's tap it out. Torn. Torn. Good job. Torn. There's that middle O-R, Bossy R combination. Good job. Does your torn match mine? Good. Let's write it down on our sheet. Way to go. All right, here we go. I want you to change torn to the word turn. Turn. Let's tap it out. Turn. Now, in other videos, we talked about homophones, right? That words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. This is another word like that. Turn. This one is means I will turn left in my car, like a direction, right? But there's also turn with an E, and that is a bird. So these are homophones. Turn, which means turn a direction, and tern is a bird. So they are spelled differently, but they sound the same. Those are called homophones. There's so many in the English language. So we have tern here, which is the one we're making today. Good job. Let's write it down on our sheet. So this is that UR controlled vowel. UR controlled vowel. Let's write it down. Good job. Let's change the word turn to the word curl. Let's tap it out. Curl. Curl. Let's make it curl. Does your curl match mine? Way to go. Let's write it down. You are amazing word wizards. I'm so proud of you. All right, let's change curl and make the word hurt. Let's tap it out. Hurt. Let's do it. Hurt. Good job. Let's write it down. Way to go. I'm so proud of you. All right, we are going to change up this word completely. Just change up the whole word. Now I want you to make the word cord, like the cord on the hairdryer. Cord. We have that or in the middle now, that or Bossy R or R-Controlled Vowel. So we're making the word cord. Or, we know it's that O-R, cord. Cord. Does yours match mine? Great work. Let's write down the word cord. Okay, now we're going to change the word cord, and I want you to make the word born. Let's tap it out. Born. Born. So let's bring up our sounds. Remember, say the sounds as you move the letters. Born. Good job. Does your born match mine? Way to go. Write it down on your sheet. All right, let's change born to barn. Barn. Like the pirate. Barn. Remember that R sound in the middle. Barn. So that was just one change, one letter change. O-R to A-R. Good job. Barn. Let's write it down on our sheet. Way to go. All right, now I want you to change barn, and I want you to make the word mark. I will write a mark on the paper. Mark. Let's do it. Mark. And it's just that K. Mark, bark, stark, lark, right? Arc, that ending. Good job. Write it down. All right, here we go. Now I want you to change the word mark, and I want you to make the word smart. Let's blend it. Smart. Smart. Does yours look like mine? Way to go. You are so smart. Let's write it down. All right. Let's change smart to the word farm. Let's blend it. Farm. Let's say it as we bring up our sounds. Farm. Way to go. Does your farm match mine? Excellent. Let's write it down. All right. Now we're going to change farm to firm. Firm. Like the mattress was very firm, which means like a little hard. So which one are we going to use? We're going to use IR. Firm. Good job. Let's write it down on our sheet. Firm. Way to go. All right, we're going to change firm to the word girl. Girl. Let's bring up our letters. Girl. Does yours look like mine? Great job. Write it down. Girl. Excellent. Okay. Last word. We're going to make the word smirk. That's a smirk. A smirk is a little smile. Smirk. Let's blend it. Smirk. Smirk. Let's make it smirk. It's like a little smile. Does yours look like mine? Great job. Let's write it down on our sheet. Word wizards, you're incredible. Woohoo! Way to go. Are you ready for our challenge word? All right, this is a hard one. You ready? We're going to blend it together. We're going to make the word hornet. Hornet. Let's first clap out our sounds or our syllables in the word. Hornet. Hornet. Okay, so let's do the first part. Or, right? So we know it's or. So there's whore. Where's my other R? Hold on, there's whore. Now we're going to do the next syllable. Hornet. This is an R-controlled syllable. And then we're going to do something called a closed syllable. Net. Hornet. Hornet. It's kind of like a bee, similar to like a bee or a wasp. It's a hornet. Okay? So look, hornet. This is a 2-syllable word. This is an R-controlled syllable. And this is something called a closed syllable because it has a short vowel and it's in between or it's closed off by a consonant sound. So hornet is a 2-syllable word and it's got the R-controlled vowel in it and it also has a closed syllable. So an R-controlled syllable and a closed syllable. Let's write down the word hornet on our sheet. And when you're making words that are bigger or have more than one syllable, like hornet, break it up. Break it up into word parts or syllables because it's much easier to figure out the sounds in the words when you break up bigger words, when you're either reading or writing. So this is a really good strategy to use when you're reading or you're writing a longer word. Good job, word wizards. I am so proud of you. You did such a great job today on our R-controlled vowels, our Bossy R sounds. And that's what Set 10 was all about. Developing Decoders Set 10 was all about Bossy R or R-controlled vowel words. And I'm really, really proud of you. You did a great job. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you for video number 11, because video number 11, we're going to work on diphthongs. I know, that's a weird word, right? Diphthongs are like oi and oi, ow and ow, aw and aw. Those are diphthongs. So that's going to be in video number 11. So I hope you'll join me for video number 11. And I'm so proud of you for all the work you did today in video 10. Great job. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.